But then there's this unique concept, and I do think the two-tone makes it sparkle and shine even more. And if you want the two-tone, you can do two-tone yellow, two-tone silver and black, or two-tone silver and rose. But now we move to the necklace.
Look at it on a day, by the way, the necklace. Look, she's wearing the two-tone, and she has it in the 18 and the 20 and the 22, all layered. And it looks beautiful. That shimmering two-tone color, because you've taken that silver and you've plated it with that 18 karat gold and then diamond cut right through it, so it looks beautiful.
It's incredible. I fell in love Monday, so did my PM style customers. So let me explain this one to you as well, because if you're just joining us, fresh from the fair. So we're claiming ours now, shopping for ours now, reserving ours now, and it's going to ship out the week of March 24th. It works like this. If you look at the bust in front of me, you're going to choose the length that you want, and it's 18, 20, and 22, and then you're going to choose the necklace that you want as far as colors of silver and gold. So if you look up here, this is again the rose option, and this rose has the silver and the rose to it. So please order it by the name of two-tone silver and rose. And then this one right here, that's going to be your two-tone silver and yellow. If you move down, here's your black choice, your two-tone silver and black. It's very, very limited. And then you move into the silver and you move into the yellow. Now, the pricing is very simple. It just goes up by $10. So if you're shopping for the shortest, 18 inches, that is $70. If you want to go for the 20, you're going to look at $80 as your price. And if you want to go with 22, then your price is going to be $90. And the easy pay is anywhere from $14 to $18. I'm sorry, my bust doesn't have all three measurements, so we'll look at me and a day for that. But then, David, you're going to show us the trick where you can put the lobster claw on any of the links.
Let me show it on this one. I'm going to take this off right now and show that. Because
they are all back there.
They're all back there. So if you look at this, I'll just come over here. I'm going to take the lobster claw here, and let's pretend I wanted to wear it really shorter. I could go right on here, just it comes on right there, and you can wear that actually in the front as like almost a Y. Here, let me go there, or you can wear it in the back, and it's much shorter.
So
now
versatile.
it's about a 15-inch chain. If you wanted to wear it as a more of a choker style, or you just want to wear it close up, but that's beautiful because you can wear any outfit with this and feel like. Here, I'll show it right here. That's a great shot right there. So you can see where I clipped it on, and it's so easy to put on because we purposely made this chain so that it could do that. We wanted you to see that. And I love that factor because not only are you getting 18, 20, and 22, but if you bought that bracelet, let's pretend you bought the 8-inch bracelet, you can make it a 30-inch if you attach it to the 22-inch or anywhere. So this is very versatile, very universal for anybody who is interested in this tonight.
And just saying, if you bought the bracelet and you put a necklace and the bracelet on Easy Pay, give or take shipping and handling and tax, because I cannot do that math that quick, but give or take, you're looking at about $25 tonight through Easy Pay, and both the bracelet and a necklace in your choice of length comes home. Go over the concept in case somebody missed the bracelet presentation.
Sure.
And I should probably reintroduce everybody. This is David Markstein, and this is what he does and does better than anyone. He finds the best jewelry in Italy, and it's the new technology, it's the craftsmanship we've loved for years, but it's the value. So this ships out the week of March 24th, but you grab this new concept of this diamond cut paperclip.
Yes, the diamond cut paperclip. It starts off with the paperclip idea, and I think you're right. It doesn't really look like a paperclip. It more of is a statusy link design because they're very rectangular oval design links that are attached one by one. And what we've done is they've diamond cut that, but the way they've diamond cut it is first they've done a plating over it. They've done a layer of either 18 karat yellow gold, 18 karat rose gold, or that black rhodium, part of the platinum family, and then they diamond cut through it so you get that two-tone effect, which is so beautiful. We've done it in the necklace, we've done it in the bracelet, and again, let's talk about the fresh from the fair concept again, because that's what's so beautiful about this. The buyers were so excited, and we suggested that could we bring back this concept again, which was once very interesting, and you all loved it because you wanted to be first to market. This is what every buyer wants to be first to market. Every retailer wants to be first to market. And so what we're able to do by getting this, and everybody was in the booth and they saw this, but they wouldn't give it to them. When I say everybody, all the other retailers were there.
All the other stores.
Anybody who's who of retail, you know, very high-end retailers, they wanted this. And we had it exclusively for us. And not only did we have it, we took the chains with us. We left the booth with the chains and we brought them back. And so here you have them here, the only chains in existence. And you're simply ordering yours today, reserving it.
Well, and look at that. You can't beat the price.
That's
it's
beautiful
silver and gold. Every link is diamond cut, and we don't pay triple digits. Do you know the last time, fresh from the fair, Italian quality, silver and gold, and we are at under 90? That's price points from years ago, and this is 2025. Plus, you've got that easy pay. And when I look at a day, when I see it on my own neck, both Monday night when I had it on and tonight, I mean, it looks like layers and layers of thousands of dollars of chain.
It really
and yet
does.
it's a $14 to $18 easy pay.
And
it sparkles,
and
David.
So we're talking about a layering story here, which is all the trend that's happening in Italy, and we're talking about a color story here. Now, for me, being a designer coming back to QVC, I wanted to represent colors that you would not normally see. That's why black is in this mix. That's why the two-tone colors are in this mix. Because I saw black subtly over a couple of fairs. I'm like, this window has it. And there's certain windows at the show you go to. You're walking around and you're like, oh, that's a window that's always a popular window, and they're starting to show black. So I took it on my own and I said, let's introduce black as a color, because it used to be only yellow, white, rose. Now we're adding yellow, white, rose, and black. It's just a beautiful combination. Wear them as mixed colors, wear them all the same color, it doesn't matter.
At this point, in just a matter of days, we have processed over 9,500 orders in this necklace. The sale price is not going to last forever. In a matter of time, it'll be March, and you'll have that necklace around your